What started out as a calm morning and a trip to find my son a souvenir ended with a storm system blowing in from the south that forced me to change plans. But challenges are opportunities, and I try to make the most out of them. My name is David, and this is how I got off the grind.
I really only have one goal today, and that is to get my son a rock. Before I left, that's what he asked for, was a rock. And I think I know the perfect place to get that rock. But because I switched directions yesterday, I am very far from where I need to be today. So I can't really waste time. I gotta get on the road. But this is such a cool spot.
With many miles to cover today, I had no time to waste. So I got back on the trail as soon as possible.
So I was looking at the map, and there's this thing on Onyx labeled Camp Cabin. So I was interested to come check it out. It's not too much of a detour from the route I need to take, so I figured I would just come down here and see what it's all about. There's something here. Not really what I expected, but let's check it out. Bit of a fixer-upper, but it's a pretty sweet location. I mean, this would be a dope spot to live, that's for sure. feel like I need a shower though now.
Before I could really get going, I really needed to grab some gas. I aired up, got on the road, hit the gas station quickly, and got back on track for Jordan Craters.
So right now I'm near Jordan's Craters, and there is a massive lava field that flows south from Coffee Pot Crater, and there's a trail. They call it a Jeep trail that kind of skirts along that. So I wanted to take that and get at the far end of it. You get to Cow Lakes. So there's a little bit of private property there, like at the very end of it, but I think what I want is just this side of it. So I should be good on that front, but I'm really hoping that because this is labeled a Jeep trail, that it will be that'll have some fun stuff to do, maybe some obstacles. Plus I want to see more of the lava field anyways. So when my son asked for a rock, I immediately thought lava rock because I knew that this was in the area. And this is a pretty cool rock. He's 3 years old. I don't know what he looks for in a rock, but I think it's pretty cool. It's a little sharp, so I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled for something else, but just in case. Challenging at all. It was very slow because it was rocky, but it was not challenging. It was really cool, however, to drive right alongside the lava field like that. That was pretty cool. Definitely did not expect to see this at the end of the road. Warning to trespassers. It says I can go in, I just can't remove anything or destroy anything, is how I read that. So let's check it out.
I go into abandoned buildings every time I get the chance. Not once have I ever felt uneasy, but something about this building just wasn't sitting right with me. I'm not saying that to be dramatic, it just felt off for some reason.
2 abandoned buildings today. How lucky is that? Love that stuff. But the main goal is to find a cool rock for my son. So the search continues. This is super cool. It's even sharper than the last one though.
These lava fields cover 26 square miles of the Owyhees. They are easy to spot from miles away on your way into this area, and on a map, it looks like a black hole in the middle of the Owyhees.
This one's pretty cool. I think it's the least dangerous of them. What I really want is, there's lava rock that's like really smooth and has a sheen to it, but you can see a little bit of a sheen to this one right here. I'm kind of looking for a bigger surface area of that, but this is cool. I'm gonna keep this. This is so weird to film, but my son asked for a rock, so I'm gonna get him a rock.
They are actually the youngest lava flows in Oregon, having occurred only 3,200 years ago. But still, after this long, there's not much life in these fields.
This is closer to what I was looking for. I think I'm gonna take this one. Success, Luca, I got you a rock. That was way more of a detour than I thought it was gonna be. So I think I have some stuff marked, some like new stuff marked that I'm interested in checking out. But I also really want to find camp because it's getting late. Yeah. Let's break some new trail. Bit of a problem. This whole area is flooded. The water's kind of calm here, but I highly doubt you can see it. It looks like it's moving pretty good up there, so I don't know where the water's coming from, but I don't think this is passable. I don't even see where the road begins again. I think there's a way around it without having to go back on the Jeep trail. So let's try that. Really did not expect that. That really sucks. So this hill was, it's not that sketchy, but it's supposed to rain overnight. I got an update on my Garmin, and it's definitely supposed to rain like quite a bit overnight. So this hill in the morning when it's wet, that's more risk than I'm willing to take on. So, oh man, I don't know what plan B is gonna be. Birch Creek is gonna be the same thing. I think that road's a little bit easier in, but it's the same kind of deal. So I don't know, just kind of rolling with the punches. We'll figure it out.
This is really not what I needed right now. At this point, it's 5:30 in the afternoon and weather is really starting to roll in. I wasn't able to get my drone up or film because the wind really picked up and it was ripping through this area. I knew that my only chance of finding a good campsite was to head back to Sucker Creek, but even then, I was about 2 hours away before I could even start looking for a campsite. To Sucker Creek more than any other spot in the Owai's, and I never tire of being here. It has the perfect mix of everything I look for in a campsite. Lots of green, a river running through, tons of scenery, and endless trails to explore. This is my happy place. There is so much left of the Owai's that I have yet to explore. This spot is a perfect example of that, as it was just some random road that I happened to go down. But as amazing as this spot was, there was no way to get the vehicle level, so I ended up just setting up camp at the trailhead.
Oh man, this is not at all where I thought I would be tonight. The weather is still not cooperating, but at least it's not windy here. So I'll take the rain for sure. So it is 9 o'clock and I am freaking beat. I'm so tired. I literally just set up camp. So I don't even think I'm gonna get a fire or anything. I think I'm just going to bed. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some sleep and I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already thinking about my next trip out here. There are so many roads out here that I would love to like not have a route planned, just come out here and go down every single one of these roads and see what's down them. Pretty sure there's a whole lot of hidden gems out here, and I want to find them.
And don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be anything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be anything
Honestly, Painted Hills is a really awesome area, but not worth a dedicated trip. But if you happen to be in the area, definitely check it out. But with Sean and his family here now, we headed out to try and find camp for the night. It started dumping on us after we got set up, so we decided to hop in Sean's new rig and wait it out. But with good friends, bad weather doesn't seem to matter. Until next time, I hope you're able to get off the grid and off the grind. I'll see you in the next one. Hey Luca, you remember when you asked Daddy for a rock from his trip? What do you think? Is it pretty cool? It's a lava rock. A lava rock, yeah. It's all yours.
Thank you.